Python programming, is it easy to learn Python programming? Python programming is taken into consideration as a beginner's programming language. Due to the fact that Python resembles English, many find it less complicated to find out than various other shows languages. Programmers can review and also keep in mind that Python syntax is much easier than other program languages. Python programming is an indispensable part of different IT ecological communities, specifically as a back-end program language. It's made use of Netflix, Google, Instagram, Spotify, Stripe, as well as countless other tech titans. Undoubtedly, discovering Python would certainly aid you to kickstart your brand new profession in technology. Python programming is not just much easier to comprehend, but it's additionally easier to learn. That is why there is an increasing number of brand new programmers in Python, as compared to other shows languages. Concerning 22% of Python designers have coding experience of less than a year. About Python certifications. Python certification course teaches high-level programming language. The Python platform handle multiple programming paradigms including object-oriented, numeric data types, string operations, control flow, and syntax, for loop, sys, math, time modules, regular expression, etc. Python is scripting such as language Ruby, PHP and this programming language are using for business analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning and much more. Best Python tutorial guide to learning Python, start to creating, website development, mobile app development, ERP system development, desktop application building. Significance of Python certifications in 2020. Python programming is just one of the most widely utilized programs languages in the world. Not only is it a preferred, generalist, language, but it has sneaked continuously right into highly specialized sectors. For instance, it's overtaken R as the data science language of choice for numerous firms. The most significant advantage of trying to acquire this certification is that this programming language is exceptionally very easy to discover and you can utilize it as a tipping stone right into a broad series of other programming languages and structures. An additional significant benefit of trying to get a Python qualification over various other shows languages is the existence of a large neighborhood. You're probably knowledgeable about the fact that a robust community is very helpful when you're discovering a programming language or creating a job using it. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abudhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for a Python certification course in Dubai, Abudhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best Python exam preparation course. This certification training offered by Zabeel Institute stands out from other training in the market. Zabeel's career-specific courses are imparted through interactive teaching techniques, state-of-the-art technology, and experienced and highly qualified faculty. For further information, please contact phone 00971 4 3974905. WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/